Hey, you two, Big Mike. Today I was with a client and they had problems doing billing. Okay, so I took the time to put together a new course that you could purchase and you own it. All right, you're not leasing it. You're not making monthly payments or recurring payments. Um, the first problem he had was putting the client ID number. Okay. He put the client Medicaid number in the system and did the billing, and it turned out that the client wasn't even eligible. Okay. It looked like their benefits expired or they had to renew the Medicaid. Um, so that's the first thing you want to do. You want to check eligibility, make sure they got Medicaid. And then he didn't know how to put in the procedure code, the PA number, the authorization number. He had to put the dates in correctly, the date of the trip, the base pay, okay, how many units, all right? That means how many times, the quantity of the trip. Let me see. And then the ordering provider information, the number, that's the actual doctor, okay? The MPI number. So what else? Let's see here. Procedure code, determination, RSN approved. Okay. Period of service, billing, provider, MPI number. Yeah, so what happened, he got the roster in the mail. You know, they mail you the roster so you could do the billing. And he just made a lot of errors, and they just denied the claims. They kept denying all the claims. And, you know, I felt bad for the guy, so I offered to help him out. And so we fixed several of the claims, and then we gotta wait till Monday and do a verbal call in and talk to a rep so they could correct it in the system. The reason why I came up with the billing and I set the course up because when I first started, I didn't know how to do billing, and you know, I was making money with the trips, but I wasn't getting paid yet because I didn't do the billing, and I was trying to maximize all my profits because I just started. So I reached out to this third-party company, and they were charging me $249 a month, okay, for the software that I had to get trained on how to use it, and that was going to take a week for the training. And also, they wanted 3 months in advance, so that was $750 they wanted, plus the $249 a month for the privilege of leasing the software to do the billing, because they were actually not doing the billing for you. You was using the software to do the billing. So that got me heated, and you know, I decided to put the course together so people could learn how to do billing. Well, you can purchase the course. I'm gonna leave the link below, and you own it. It's not no recurring payments or anything. Also, I'm gonna give you an option where I could do the billing for you. Okay. Let's move on to the next topic I got here. The building business credit is still available. Learn how to liquidate and get the money quickly, like today, right now. Learn how to get the money off your credit cards, how to liquidate it. I want to thank every fan and subscriber that hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. We reached the 1,000 subscriber mark on YouTube. I want to thank everybody for that. I couldn't do it without you. And I'm proud of everybody taking action and you know, being successful. If you could conceive it, you could achieve it. Okay. Don't forget to invest in yourself. And when you're in a business, you're going to constantly be spending money all the time, but you're going to be growing at the same time. So don't be afraid to invest in yourself and learn and keep learning. Okay. Also, I'm going to make another video with the non-emergency medical transportation. There's a whole new process, a lot of changes in 2020. So, till next time, Big Mike, I'm out. Peace.